Graduation parties and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. In South Carolina, when a parent chooses to do something that imperils the health, moral well-being, or safety of a minor, well, then that person, that adult, that person who is responsible for that child can be prosecuted for contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Hi, my name is Sam Tooker. I'm an attorney in Greenville, South Carolina with David R. Price Jr. PA, and I'm here to talk to you about how it is that decisions relating to alcohol and distributing alcohol to minors, even within your own home, can result in potential criminal prosecution. Contributing to the delinquency of a minor is an offense that is prosecutable in our state and relates to the decision by an adult who is responsible for the supervision of a minor to permit that minor to do something or to encourage that minor to do something that endangers that minor's health, moral welfare, or well-being. What we see around this time of year is that oftentimes parents say to themselves, hey, you know what would be safe? It'd be safe if we had the graduation party at our house. It'd be safe if we let everybody come here and drink because we can supervise them. We can take their keys. We can keep them from doing anything stupid. And that is something that I think is relatable because there is a decision made by the parents that they think will ultimately protect their kids and protect their kids' friends. But the problem with that decision is it's in direct contravention to the law. The law provides that if you do something or fail to do something that you're supposed to do for minors that are in your stead, that you're responsible for, and those minors are harmed or the minor's morals are harmed, then you can get prosecuted. When we see this, we see it usually at these house parties where mom and dad say come here and hang out, and then some kid drinks too much and he falls down the stairs and hits his head. Or he drinks too much and he gets in a car and hurts himself or he hurts somebody else. Or he drinks too much and he physically assaults somebody. What happens under those circumstances is law enforcement gets called. And law enforcement is tasked with investigating often tragic circumstances. And there is a call to arm. There is an encouragement by the community to ensure that there is a prosecution as it relates to whatever terrible circumstances warranted law enforcement intervention. And so you see people who are otherwise good people, law-abiding citizens, prosecuted for potential felony by virtue of their decision to try to do something that they thought would be safer than the other options that their kids would consider. So you got to be careful, and you have to really think through what it is that you're doing when you decide to let kids drink at your house. My recommendation, this is legal and moral, don't do it. Don't try to be the quote-unquote cool dad, or don't try to be the parent that is going to ensure everybody's safety by permitting them to drink at your residence, in as much as that decision can lead to a lot of heartache. It's a decision that can result in potential criminal prosecution. It's a decision that can result in potential civil liability. And so it is a decision that you should not consider. And I say that not to joke or make light of what it is that you're thinking about doing, but to emphasize the only thing that can happen in the event that something bad does happen is that the parent can be held to task for their decision to permit their kids to drink or to party at their residence. So be careful, be smart. If you have questions, give me a call. Phone number is 864-271-2636. And really think twice before you decide to have a party and invite your kid and your kid's friends and permit them to drink, because it can result in some pretty negative consequences to you personally.